Hi everyone. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to send messages using advanced ETL processor. For this particular example, we will be sending email messages and we will be using Excel file as a source for email addresses. Once you understand the principle, you will be able to send other messages as well, for example SMS messages or RabbitMQ messages. I have already created source directory and an SMTP connection. Here it is. Let's start from creating transformation. So we click new and let's call it Excel to email. Let's open a source file. So our source type is Excel. Connection name source. Select the file name. It's reading the data. Let's auto format it. It's quite a large file, so it's taking a while. Setting field names. We're not going to use all the fields, so we just need two fields. First name and email. And we also want to deduplicate it because we don't want to send too many emails. We just going to test it, so we will use text file as a target temporarily. Say that it is emails. Where I create header. And we also want to rename the fields. So first one will be email. So that will be subject. Subject. And a message. I have already drafted the email message. So here's our subject. To create the message, we will use in place replace function. Just copy the actual message. Forgot to copy recipient name. For this particular example, I'm going to send email to myself because we don't want to spam spam. But if we actually want to send emails, we can just link it like that. I'll use our company email as an example. Okay. And we just want to send one email. So we'll limit the reader. It's very important. So we're testing it. Now, so nearly completed. Let's just preview. Check that actually see. Okay, here's our email. Dear Rick, etc. We invited to the conference. So on. So we just need to change target connection to SMTP. And we say check the mapping. Message. So send out subject. The subject. And the message. Have no attachments. Right, I think we are ready to send the message. Just click run. Okay, it's all done. So we send one message. So this video demonstrates the principle. For example, if you want to send SMS messages, you can, instead of selecting email, here you can select the phone number. Then you can say that our target now is SMTP, not SMS. And you can map your message to that and it will work. Please bear in mind that it is not the only option for sending messages or emails using our advanced ETL processor. We also have send email action, and it actually allows you to send emails in HTML format, which much more prettier. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please go to our support forum, and we will do our best to help you. Thank you, bye.